Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about 6 Fiverr gigs that you can start make money from today without any special skills. And we use some website and tools to automate all our tasks. So the first one in our list is remove image background. Go to Fiverr. You can see lot of people are offering background removing services for like $5 and $10 and more. So here I am going to show you how you can create this kind of gigs and how you can remove the image background in a single click. Here I am showing two tools that we can remove image background in a single click. Go to canva.com and I am going to my uploads and I clicked my image and you can see the edit image option here, and click that and click background remover. Just click that. And now you can see the Canva is removed my image background. So you can download that as PNG with full size, and you can download it and send to the customer. And another website is remove.bg. Okay, here you can drag and drop your image and within few seconds it will remove your image background. So you can download that image. Now it's PNG, so you can send this to your customer. Second method in our list is in-depth SEO reports. Go to Fiverr and you can see there are lot of people are offering SEO audit more than $100+. It's showing in Indian rupee, so it's almost $150. And we can offer some cheap service and we can create the SEO report in a single click. So go to seoanalyzer.digitalprofit.com. I will give the link in the video description so you can find it, and enter the website URL. For you have to enter the domain name which the client provides, for example yahoo.com, and click review, and it will analyze that website and it will generate the SEO reports for you. And wait until its progress is completed. Here I can see the complete analytical report. Now currently it's processing. You don't need to log in or you don't need to pay any single penny to do this, because it's my own service. This is one of my platform and I already have the digital profit, the digitalprofit.com, that provides a different SEO and digital marketing tools all for free to my users. Anyone can access any of my tools entirely for free. Now it's complete, so you can click the download report and it will generate a PDF with the complete report. So you can see it has analyzed everything, and you just need to send the PDF file to your customer. So it has 21 pages report. It's a detailed report, so don't worry about anything. Just cross check everything and you can send it to your customer. Third one in our list, blog cover designing or YouTube thumb image designing. So it's very easy but not a single click task, but go to Canva. You can do all these things with a free account. Okay, YouTube thumb image. You have many templates are available here in Canva. You just need to select one and you just need to modify the text. something like this. You can remove or change this image or change this background, anything. Just click that and change it. You can find the elements from here. If you want a full tutorial about making awesome graphics using Canva, let me know in the comments. I will do that. You can make a bundle like 3 or 4 poster designs, or you can make a bundle for 5 blog post covers, and then you can send it to your customer. So that's one of the best option to make money from Fiverr. And another one is form posting. We can see there are some people offering high quality premium backlinks from different kind of forums, and it's very easy to find the form from our niche to post our backlinks. Go to the website, find a form, and you can see there are different categories of forums. In under money making category, you can see there are a lot of forums listed here. So find the best forums and post a link, and make sure you don't throw a lot of links, don't spam there, because once you start spamming, they will ban you from their community. So make sure that you have to write the matching content, and you can give the website link as reference. They won't ban you or they won't mark you as a spam. That's one of the method to make money from Fiverr. The second last one is resell Fiverr Gigs on Freelancer or any other website, or you can find some cheap services from another website like SEO Clark. And that you can sell in Fiverr. So you can make a little more commission. So before you start selling, you have to try it first. If they are delivering a good result, or they are delivering on time. So if they are doing, you can make a good amount by reselling these gigs on Fiverr or Freelancer. And final method is blog commenting. Here you can see people are posting gigs related to blog comments. So, and they are getting a good amount of orders. So you can do the same. Once a client approaches to you, and you have to find the client's website niche and find the related website or blogs. You can write comments with the referral links. So make sure you have to post some good contents to get up to the comments. Otherwise they will understand you are spamming on them, and your comments may not be displayed on the website. So that's one of another method to make money from Fiverr. And here we discuss 6 topics, and my favorite is the background remove, and the in-depth SEO report, and the blog or thumbnail designing service. So start working on Fiverr today and try your luck, and make sure to create catchy gigs on Fiverr and promote in your social medias and some other groups like Facebook group, and you can promote your gigs on Facebook marketing groups or somewhere, and find the groups related to your topics. And it's a good method to make money. And thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, please give a like to this video. If you want to know more about making money online, and please make sure to subscribe to this channel.